मुझे सपोर्ट करने के लिए मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए. Today in this video I am talking about very important topic, and while I am talking with all of you, the doodle drawing will keep running in video in background. So do listen my talk very carefully and at the same time enjoy the doodle drawing. And if you want to buy the print of this doodle drawing, do email me, do message me in any way you can. So let's talk about today's topic. Hello, namaste. How are you all today? One question that has been bothering so many beginner artists nowadays, and so many of them have actually personally messaged me regarding it. So today I decided to talk about it, and the question is how to price our work, how to charge customer for our work. And I can very well understand sometimes it's really very confusing that we don't want to be overcharge the customer, or we don't want to undercharge the customer. We have to be very relative to the current market, and sometimes it's really very tricky. Though personally I told many of them that I cannot help them prepare their charge sheet, but I can share few tips that could be very helpful to them. And with that I am sharing few of my experiences, how I have managed those situations, and very much hopeful that it could be a guideline for all of you. So what I told them, that it's a golden rule for any business that study your market well. What is like in term of what are the supplies available, how is the demand in the market, and in everything where do you stand, like what type of work do you have to offer. Are you very much on a beginner level, like your work is just fine, okay kind of work, or your work is relatively good, simple but good, or your work is excellent, like par excellent. So first of all you have to find your level. Then if you are on a first step, like your work is quite okay type, then I will actually suggest that don't start immediately as a professional. Enter market as a hobbyist. Start doing work as your hobby. So in that way, first of all you will have lots of practice, like working on real environment, working on real people. So those practices will actually improve your work. Once your work will start improving, people will actually start admiring your work, and many of them actually will start paying you for your work. And when other people will see your work on those people, then definitely it could be a very good promotion for you. So automatically, slowly and steadily you will enter the market. Now in the opposite scenario, if your work is okay type and you are charging customers, so definitely it can backfire you. People will judge your work, and definitely they are not going to recommend you if they don't like your work. So in that scenario it is very important, first concentrate on your work and concentrate on how to improve and enter the market and how to promote your work that way. Okay, then second level come is your work is your work is good enough, beautiful, simple, not complicated, but good enough. In that scenario, if you want, you can join any seasoned artist who is well established. You can join those artists team. So in that way you will actually learn a lot under those talented artists, plus you are directly working with clients. So slowly you will start getting clientele, because there are lots of work in the market. Only thing is you have to position yourself right, and if you are excellent artist, then definitely you are going to enter market with full confidence. But in that scenario you need some breaking point to enter the market, to showcase your work to the world. So Study your market well, how people are charging for the work up to your level of work, how people are charging. So study that well. Like if they have a bridal packages and they are charging like till elbow length design, they are charging 10,000 rupees, then to enter the market you can offer little bit discount and you can enter at a price of 8,000 or 9,000. But if you are giving very heavy discounted price, like let's say 5,000 4,000 rupees, then I'm sorry to say you are really doing wrong with henna community. Those artists who are working very hard and who has created this market to this level, and you are just completely discounting yourself, your work, and at the same time you are breaking the market. So that is unjust with those hardworking artists, plus with yourself also. Because if you are thinking with once you start getting customer and you will start having lots of work, then you will slowly increase your pricing, then you are definitely wrong. The way you broke market to enter the market, consumer will definitely find those type of artists who are ready to break market. That is very sure. So the price should be right. You are not supposed to overcharge your customer. Definitely in that scenario they will run away. And you are not supposed to undersell yourself to break the market. So you have to be very reliable to market too. So definitely I will highly recommend that study your market well. Do your research, how other artists are working, how they are offering their work, what kind of servicing they are offering, and how they are charging for what type of work. Like some situations are tricky, especially those like when you are applying mehndi to some customer and they want very simple design, but they select design from internet. So first thing, it's not your style, so definitely it will take long time for you to apply. Plus you cannot charge more because the design is very simple. Okay, in some scenarios some customers select 2-3 elements from different design and they want you to combine them in one design. So those are the situation when it comes in front of me, I feel little bit restless, disheartened, because definitely you are going to be underpaid in those scenario if you convert your work in a per hour ratio. Your speed is definitely decreasing, your work is getting affected, and you are not getting paid that much because the design is small. But in those situations, what my consolation is, okay, today I am taking long time to create this design, but once I will learn this design through this practice, in future I can do this much more faster. So okay, take it as a learning journey, learning process, and in future I will compensate it with other customer. So those are the balances you have to find. But once you enter the market actually teach you so many things. Trust me on that. So many things market teaches you, and those are the valuable lessons nobody else can teach you. Like I really like one policy that Indian artists follow, that they don't entertain any design from internet. On like very strictly they just say that they won't allow any design from internet, they will only follow their own catalog. And I really like their policies, and when I came to know about it, I implemented that policy in our policy. So whenever we are doing private appointment, we straightforward tell to our customer, if you want us to do any design from internet, other artists work, then that would be little bit higher charges on top of the base charges. And during sangeet parties and henna festivals, or during those kind of private parties, if someone asks us to do those design from internet, we politely refuse actually. I won't say we go and we become very rudely we say no, we politely refuse that. Sorry, during this schedule we have a very hectic time, because we have to attend so many customers, we have to attend so many guests, so it's not advisable for us to do any design from internet because it can take a long time. So we are really sorry for that, and if they suggest easy design, then we might end up doing also. So we look at the scenario and then we take the decision. So I really like these policies. So once you enter the market, then many things from your experiences you have to implement, like those changes you have to implement as per your own experiences. So definitely study your market well, see where are you positioned into that market, and start. Don't overcharge, don't give like too much discount, undersell yourself, and think about the relativity, like entire community has to work together to progress together. And definitely these are my own experiences I am sharing with all of you. If you have your own policies, your experiences, and please, if you can share with all of us, that could be some learning experiences for us too. So till I come back with my new video, I hope whatever I have shared with all of you could be helpful to all of you. If not all of you, some of you, and I would be really happy if it is helpful in any way. So till I come back, stay blessed, stay inspired. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye. See you.